Hey, everyone! Death Valley is known for its otherworldly landscape sculpted by intense heat and time. Among its many intriguing features, one stands out as a testament to the valley's mysterious allure: the moving rocks of Racetrack Playa. This phenomenon has puzzled scientists and captivated visitors for years. Imagine a vast, flat expanse of cracked mud, a dried-up lake bed stretching as far as the eye can see. Suddenly, a rock, some weighing hundreds of pounds, begins to move. It leaves behind a trail etched into the hard-packed mud, a path that meanders and sometimes ends abruptly. This isn't a one-off occurrence. Across the Racetrack Playa, there are numerous trails, each telling a story of rocks moved over time by an invisible force. For a long time, the idea that these rocks were somehow moved by supernatural forces was so widespread that some believed the area might be a portal to another dimension, or that the rocks were being moved by aliens. More scientific theories suggested that strong winds, possibly similar to those found in hurricanes, could be responsible. Others pointed to seismic activity or even the expansion and contraction of the rocks due to temperature changes as potential causes. The truth, as it often does, lies somewhere in between these dramatic possibilities. The Racetrack Playa, located within the Death Valley National Park in eastern California, is a closed basin that periodically floods. The water eventually evaporates, leaving behind a thin layer of sediment and a vast expanse of cracked mud known as a playa. When it rains and the playa fills with water, it freezes overnight. In the morning, the ice breaks up into large sheets. What happens next depends on a rare set of circumstances. If a gentle breeze, not a strong gust, blows across the playa, these ice sheets, now acting like giant, albeit icy, sails, catch the wind and begin to move. As they glide across the playa, they push the rocks embedded in the mud in front of them, leaving behind the trails we see today. The shallow water layer beneath the ice acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and allowing the rocks to move more easily. The idea that such a simple interaction of wind, water, and ice could explain the movement of rocks in an area as harsh and unforgiving as Death Valley might seem surprising. But it was confirmed in 2014 by a team of researchers led by geologist Mark Zumberge from the California Institute of Technology. Their study, published in the journal PNAS, presented compelling evidence for this theory. Using GPS-enabled rocks and time-lapse photography, they were able to track the movement of the stones and correlate it with weather conditions. They discovered that the rocks moved most during the winter months when temperatures were below freezing and there was sufficient water on the playa to create a thin layer of ice. This discovery brought an end to many of the more outlandish theories surrounding the phenomenon, but it also raised new questions about the precise conditions needed for these rock-moving events to occur. Researchers are still working to understand the exact interplay of factors such as wind speed, water depth, and ice thickness that contribute to these movements. The Racetrack Playa, with its moving rocks, serves as a powerful reminder of the dynamic and often subtle processes that shape our world. It's a testament to the fact that even in seemingly barren landscapes, incredible natural phenomena are constantly unfolding. This unique geological spectacle draws visitors from around the globe, eager to witness the trails firsthand and contemplate the forces that create such an otherworldly scene. So, if you find yourself in the vicinity of Death Valley, take the time to visit the Racetrack Playa, stand among the vast expanse of moving rocks, and let the silence and solitude of this place inspire a sense of awe and wonder. And while you're there, remember to look for the newly formed trails, a reminder that the most perplexing mysteries are often solved by the simplest explanations. Alright, everyone, that's our journey to the heart of Death Valley. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe for more updates. And if you have a video you'd like to see us cover, just share it with us using the hashtag provided. Thanks for watching.